I'm going to show you how to multiply decimal numbers. It can get kind of confusing, but you will initially start out like you're multiplying two numbers together without decimal points. So if I were multiplying 12.3 times 1.46, okay, I would first start with normally it would be the ones column. Let me erase that. Okay, but in this case, it's going to be the hundredths column. So I would go 6 times 3, which is 18. And I put my 1 up at the top, and then my ones number down where I'm going to be adding. Then I go 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And I cross it off so I know that I added it. Then I go 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Okay? Now I'm done with the 6, so I cross it off so I know I'm done with the 6. And now I need to mark that spot because now I'm going to start with, in this case, the tenths column. So now I'm going to go 4 times 3, which is 12. Carry my 1. 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 1 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, so now I'm done with the 4. And so since that's 2 places, I need to put 2 zeros. Okay, then I'm left with the 1. So now I go 1 times 3, 1 times 2, 1 times 1. And then I'm going to add all of these up. Okay, and I get 8, 0, and 0, which is 8. 3 plus 2 and 0, which is 5. 7 and 9, which is 16, plus 3 is 19. Carry my 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7, and then I have this 1 here, and I bring it down. Now, whenever you have a whole number, the decimal point goes to the very right, okay? But I have to look back up at my original problem, which was 12.3 times 1, let me mark these, 1.46. Now I need to count how many digits are to the right of the decimal point in the two numbers that I multiplied. So I know the 3 is, the 4 is, and the 6 is. So that gives me a total of 3 digits to the right of the decimal point. So then I'm going to go down here to the answer, and I'm going to move that decimal point 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? So then I'm going to have the answer 17.958. And that's going to be my product from multiplying 12.3 times 1.46.